Halina sa
cuisine. So today, guys, what did I just see right there? Guys, have you ever opened an avocado without a seed? So guys,
crazy man, just crazy.
We opened this and it had no seed. Only joking. Of course it has a seed. Everything has a seed.
Wait.
So that's how you. So we're gonna make avocado salad. So
you can do it with cucumber. Cucumber.
Cucumber. What's cucumber?
What is it called again? This
is how to make avocado
tomatoes,
salad.
Lettuce.
What you do?
Rockets.
You know to scoop. Oh,
you know what's rocket?
Yeah, avocado out.
Yeah, rocket. You can make a salad of anything except for vegetables.
Except for vegetables? You can't. Yeah. How are you supposed to make a salad without vegetables? Huh?
Is avocado a fruit?
I don't know. It grows on a tree.
I think it has to be a fruit because everything that has seeds has to be a fruit. Anything that has a seed has to be a fruit. Now, Hunger's tomato is a fruit. Did you notice that? For a fact. A tomato is a fact.
This is Filipino
avocado. Avocado. Avocado.
So what you do? You cut it. So this is the Filipino avocado salad. So what you do? You get some cheese. And then you sprinkle it all onto the avocado. Stop being such a drama queen.
I'm not. I'm not a queen. I don't rule the world. Wow, that's how you make it. I thought I wanted to eat this now.
So now what you do, you add some salad cream. And there you have it, guys. Your delightful, delicious salad. Filipino avocado.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
What do you think you're doing?
Getting a bite.
So bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe down below for a thumbs up. And Halina sa cuisine.
It's crazy that avocado does not have a seed. Well, nobody does.
Okay, goodbye.